Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to set multiple wallpapers on the lock screen of the Samsung Galaxy A16 5G. First, open the Settings app. Scroll down and tap on Wallpaper and Style. Then tap on Change Wallpaper and select Gallery. From your gallery, choose up to 15 photos that you want to set as your lock screen wallpaper. Once you have made your selections, tap Done. You can review the photos you have chosen by tapping Items. Here, you can remove pictures using the minus sign or add new ones by tapping the plus sign. You can also change the order of the images by dragging them. Once you are happy with your selections and order, tap Done again. That's it. You are now all set to enjoy multiple wallpapers on your Samsung Galaxy A16 5G. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.